If you are running any food enterprise or you're planning to start one, well, you must have heard about FSSAI. FSSAI, or Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, is the prime body that regulates the laws related to food industry. Also, it has made compulsory for every food business operator to obtain a FSSAI license or a food license. So, if you are some small tea shop or a bakery or a restaurant or any food product distributor or a transporter, then it is mandatory for you to obtain a FSSAI license. So, here in this video, I, Ruchika Maheshwari from Legal Rasta, shall talk about what is a FSSAI license, what are the basic requirements for the same, what is the procedure that is to be followed to obtain a FSSAI license, and how Legal Rasta can help you with it. FSSAI license is a 14-digit registration or license number that is issued by the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. All the manufacturers, traders or restaurants, etc. are required to obtain this 14-digit license or registration number, that is the FSSAI number. Well, you must have seen that Maggi pack or any other brand having that FSSAI written on it. Well, that's the food license number. If you are engaged into any food activity or product which is edible in nature, then you require a food license. From every small hawker to food vans to even large MNCs like Nestle, well, even they require a food license. Also, if an individual is engaged into transporting or storing of food products, even he requires a food license. If he has more than one storage unit, then he needs a different food license for every store or unit. There are three types of licenses, which are basic, state and central license. Their applicability depends upon the annual turnover of your business as well as the business registration type. Starting from the basic license, where a basic license is obtained when you own a small company and its annual turnover is below 12 lakhs. Also, with this basic license, you can sell the product all over the country. It's just that you cannot print the registration number at the back of the product. It will typically cost you between 4 to 6,000. A state license is obtained when your annual turnover is between 12 lakhs to 20 crores. And also with the state license, you can sell your product all over the state, as well as you can print the registration number behind the product also. And it will typically cost you between 8,000 to 10,000. Coming to the central license, a central license is obtained when your annual turnover is above 20 crores, and also with the central license you can sell your product all over the country, and if you're involved into import or export, well, even then you need a central license. If you're into government undertakings or you're working in a PSU, then also you need a central license. It will typically cost you between 13,000 to 15,000. Well, all these licenses take around 45 to 60 days for the registration. Well, to get your FSSAI license registered, there are various sets of documents that are required. Firstly, you need the copy of Aadhaar card or the voter identity card. If your property is owned, then copy of property papers. If the property is rented, then copy of the rent agreement, electricity, water or telephone bill of the business place. If you are into a partnership, then copy of the partnership deed. If you are into a company, then memorandum of association or the article of association. In addition, you also require certain documents which are preferable to be drafted by the CS or a FSSAI agent, and such documents are a self-declaration form, secondly, authority letter which should have the name and address of the responsible person, also Form 9 which states the nomination of persons by the company along with the board resolution, and other documents like blueprint location, water test report, equipments and production unit photograph as in the case of a manufacturer or wherever applicable. Getting a FSSAI license is slightly complex, so you can do it yourself or you can take help from Legal Rasta. For taking help from Legal Rasta, all you have to do is go to the website, that is www.legalrasta.com, and select FSSAI license option. Fill a very simple online questionnaire. It will also auto-suggest you about the applicable license. Then you will receive an email from us stating the next few steps as well as the documents required. Submit the required documents and you're done on your part. We'll take care of the rest. We'll first file your Form A and Form B as well as your declaration forms and the other documents with the regional Pasai office. Once the license is issued, we'll let you know, and also if you want to contact us or in case you have any queries or you want to track your status, you can contact us at 875-000-8585. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.